Would you like to go for a walk? Having a bit of a late start to the morning. Partly because of the late finish last night, but it's nice and sunny up today. It's not raining, so we're going for a walk. Just have to pry her out of her little cocoon she's got. I don't know how well it's gonna go. Okay. Definitely not the happiest of campers to be removed from that super cozy little cocoon, but ready for our walk. So the last week or so, it's definitely gone from, I think it's fall, to it's most definitely fall. Now the dilemma is there's not very many nice-ish days that we're gonna have for the next little while. So I've got a full day in the shop today. Definitely need to get a lot of stuff done out the door, picked up tomorrow. There's a few small items we'll get started. Probably not today, probably tomorrow morning. But I think most of tomorrow is going to be getting a whole lot of loose ends tied up outside. We've got one more project we're going to try and squeeze in before the ground freezes. There's part of it that has to be done before the ground freezes, and the rest of it can kind of be done in between your fingers trying to freeze off. You know, living in Canada. But we definitely have to get the first part of it started this weekend. And it's supposed to rain all weekend, so I've got some posts that I have to work on. And I think it'd be a lot cleaner to deal with them outside. Prep them outside so that shavings and sawdust and everything can just go wherever it wants to. But if it's gonna rain all weekend, I think I have to pull that into the shop, get it done in there, and just deal with the carnage. That's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was new. I thought it was one. It's just about new. But that's fine. Staining, boxing, getting shipments out the door. That's the goal for today. Ta-da! All done staining. Well, these ones over here, these 6 are supposed to all be brown, but mountains take quite a bit of time to stain. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 right now. 4 orders right now that are ready to go. Those ones were never going to get shipped out today anyways, because I want to get pictures of them once, so I don't think I have pictures of those color combinations. So I get pictures of those. So they can be stained after I boxed up these other 4 ones and got them inside. Because the last few times I've done boxing up at night, or in the afternoon, it's like pitch black by the time I'm done boxing. So trying to get this all boxed up and in the house before it gets too dark, and we don't want to drag them in there. Step 1 before we box them up, all these have to be drilled. So little pocket holes that go into the back that slip over screws on the wall, and that way they hang up, no hard work shown. So little jigs, marking where the holes are. Mark them, drill them, go find out if we've accidentally lost Monkey again. We have found Monkey. All is right with the world. Food break. Got this whole like Robin Hood thing going on at the moment, kid. Alright. Let's get those boxes done. You can probably hear that. It's my wonderful little heater. Best thing we ever put in this shop. Well, that's it. We're done. Got 4 boxes ready to go. That's pretty much it for me tonight. I'm gonna get her inside. Get the boxes inside, Dan will start shipping those. I've got, probably come back out for about an hour or so. I've got 2 custom laser files to run. And then they're only a few minutes each, so Dan will be able to get those labels on them today as well. I'll get some of those hexagons in the back stained. And then tomorrow's gardening. Probably be a little bit of, probably half day of wood chip stuff, but 'tis the season. This is what happens. The closer we get to Christmas, the less days I have completely away from the wood chip. So that I like the shop.